Today is day 7, full beard hair transplant at GLOJAS. The reason why he decided to do a full beard transplant because he wants to look like a man, more masculine, more like a mature adult. He is 28 years old and he is from Sarawak. And this is the right goatee, this is the right moustache, this is the left moustache. The center connecting these two left and right moustache is called the phytrum. This is the beard and this the other side. So today is day 7, the swelling all have reduced, all the graft intact and in place according to right angle and direction. Upper part here, place randomly some grafts so that it looks more natural.
So I'm very happy with the results. This is exactly what I wanted. So Dr. Jas and his team has delivered it. I'm very happy with the results. I'm very happy with the services. Everyone here is very professional and very friendly, so I have no complaints. Thank you, GLOJAS.